CSC Education. Myself Subhendu Kumar Dane, lecturer in mathematics. Today I am discuss about the topic integration by using trigonometric substitutions. So first of all, in this method some formula are there. Then first formula is integration of dx divided by a square minus of x square in the root over equals to sine inverse x divided by a plus of c. Then 2. Integration of a square plus of x square equals to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Third. Integration of x divided by x square minus of a square in the root over vector. This value equals to 1 by a sec inverse of x divided by a plus c. In fourth one, integration of a square plus of x square in the lower part in the root over vector. So this value equals to ln logarithm function x plus of a square plus of x square in the root over plus integration constant k. In fifth is integration of x square minus of a square in the root over vector equals to logarithm functions or ln x plus x square minus of a square in the root over vector plus constant is k. Now in this all the formula I proved it one by one. So formula number 1 I proved that proof of formula 1. Okay. In integration of dx divided by a square minus of x square the root over. First of all, we know that dx divided by integration 1 minus of x square, the root over of integration is sine inverse of x plus c. So here 1 is the constant numerical constant value, here a is the constant factor a square, here 1 square minus x square, that means sine inverse of x. Now here if the x is the variable factor, a is the constant, so put now here put x equals to a sine theta. So here x is a function of theta, that's means with derivative of with respect to theta, that means dx by d theta equals to a is a constant factor in the trigonometric function sine theta. So derivative of sine theta is cos theta. Now we convert the x in the theta form, so we have to convert the dx form also in theta form. So this implies that dx equals to here a cos theta and d theta. So value substitute all the values in this given integrations. This value equals to here integration dx equal to here a cos theta d theta divided by a square minus of a square sine square theta the root over vector. Now this value equals to a cos theta d theta divided by a constant common factor a square 1 minus of sine square theta of root over. But here 1 minus sine square theta, but in the square relations we know that sine square theta plus of cos square theta equals to 1. So we convert 1 minus sine square theta, that means here cos square theta equals to here 1 minus of sine square theta. Okay. So cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square. Substituting the value in these equations. So this value equals to integration a cos theta d theta divided by in the root over vector a square. So here a 1 minus sine square, that means cos square theta root over h cos theta. So here a cancel, cos theta is cancel out. So this value equals to integration of d theta. Okay. In the integration of d theta equals to theta plus of c. So find out the theta in the given, putting value here x equals to a sine theta, that means Sin theta equals to x divided by a. Then theta equals to sin inverse of x by a. So substituting this value in this theta value. So here sin inverse of x divided by a plus of c. That is the proof of in the formula number 1. Okay. Next one is formula number 2. In the integration factor, dx divided by a square plus of x square. Here a is a constant factor a square. So now we know that integration of dx divided by 1 plus of x square, tan inverse of x plus c. So here 1 is the constant factor, here a is the constant factors. 1 square, alright, a square, alright. Now put in this method, in the variable x equals to a is a constant, that means a tan theta. Now x is a function of theta. We derivative both sides with respect to theta. That means dx by d theta equals to a is a constant. In the constant of derivative, come on. Now in this factor, tan theta derivative is sec square theta. So we convert the x factor. So we also convert the dx factor. This value equals to dx equals to a sec square theta and d theta. Alright. Substituting this value here. So a sec square theta d theta divided by a square tan square theta. This value equals to a sec square theta d theta divided by a square is common factor 1 plus tan square theta. Here 1 factor cancel out, a divided by a square, that means 1 by a is a constant in common, sec square theta d theta. We know that by the trigonometry square relations 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Sec square theta. Now sec square theta cancel out. Here 1 by a integration of d theta. So 1 by a d theta integration is theta plus of c. This value equals to here x equal to a tan theta, that means tan theta is equal to x by a, theta equal to tan inverse. So here 1 by a tan inverse of x divided by a plus c is the proof of the formula number 2. Okay, alright. Next one is proof number 3. Proof number 3 is integrations dx divided by x square minus of x square. I prove all the formula because this is the proof related to the problem based. Okay. So here now dx divided by x square minus of a square is the constant, no problem. So here put x equals to a sec theta. Okay. Now dx equal to a sec theta, tan theta and d theta. And in the direct format. Okay, alright. So this value equals to here dx divided by a sec theta. Sorry, dx equals to a sec theta, tan theta and d theta divided by in the root over a square sec square theta minus of a square. Now here 1 a sec theta, a sec theta cancel out. Now value is tan theta, d theta. A square is the common factor, a square in the root over is a sec square theta minus of 1 factor is tan square theta, in the root over is tan theta. Here now tan theta is cancel out. So 1 by a is the common constant factor. Now integration of d theta, 1 by a d theta integration is theta plus c. This value equals to 1 by a theta. Here theta equals to sec inverse x divided by a plus of c. Okay, this is the third proof of formula. Okay, now Proof of formula number 4. That is the most important formula. Your board exam related questions. 4. Integration dh divided by x square plus of a square in the root over factor, or a square plus a. Here in the root over factor in the addition format x square plus a square. Okay, here not x square minus a square or a square minus a square minus a square, that means sine inverse of x. Okay, all right, but here x square plus of in the root over factor. Okay, all right. Now that is the most important formula. Okay, so first we put x equal to here a tan theta. X equal to a tan theta. Now dx by d theta equals to a sec square theta. Now dx equals to a sec square theta d theta. Okay, substituting in this value here, so dx equals to a sec square theta d theta divided by x equal to a square tan square theta plus of a square in the root over factor of integrations. Okay, now this value equals to a sec square theta d theta divided by a square common factor, the root over factor is a tan square theta plus of 1 or 1 plus tan square theta. We know that by the square relation, that is the sec square theta of sec square theta root over is sec theta. Here a cancel out, 1 sec cancel out, so here integration sec theta d theta. In the previous substitution methods, we know that sec theta integrations not directly put up. So here multiplying sec theta plus of tan theta in the upper level and dividing by this sec theta d theta divided by sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, here sec square theta plus tan theta into this value equal to integration sec square theta plus sec theta tan theta of d theta divided by sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, now substitute the value equal to, suppose put sec theta plus tan theta equals to t. T is a function of theta, that means t by d theta. Your sec theta derivative is sec theta tan theta plus tan theta derivative is sec square theta equals to dt by d theta. Okay, but your value is sec square theta plus sec theta into tan theta d theta, that means here sec square theta plus sec theta into tan theta of d theta equals to dt. Okay, all right, substituting this value of here, so this value equals to here dt by t. In the integration of dt by t, it is the log function ln of t plus c. Here t is the value sec theta ln sec theta plus tan theta plus c. But here put x equal to a tan theta, that means we convert sec theta only, not tan theta convert. So tan theta equal to x divided by a sec theta. In the sec theta, by the square relations, sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So sec theta equals to sec theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta in the root over. Okay, all right, substituting this value, so here ln 1 plus tan square theta root over plus tan theta plus c. Okay, now we know that here tan theta equal to x divided by a, that means ln 1 plus x by a of square, because tan square theta plus x divided by a plus c. Okay, all right, now this value equals to ln x square plus a square plus of x square divided by a square the root over plus of x by a plus c. Here learn a square plus of x square the root over by x by a plus c. So here a is a constant factor in the lower part, both factor. So minus of ln this, ln a square plus of x square root over plus x minus ln a plus c. Ln a is a constant factor. So ln a square plus of x square in the root over plus of x plus some constant, integration constant k. Your formula is now ln x plus a square plus of x square root over plus k. That is the answer. Okay. Similarly, work out the next problem or next formula yourself. Try it. That is the formula dx divided by x square minus of a square in the root over formula is ln x plus of x square minus of a square plus k. Try this formula or any problem then given. So today I discussed about the topic integration by using trigonometric substitutions. Okay. Subscribe my channel and like and share. Then any problem or any doubt given to comments this channel, CSC Educations. Okay, thank you.